Hello everyone, welcome to the session. It's me Rakhi, your tutor for this particular session. In this video, I'm going to make you practice regarding there and they are. And I hope you haven't forgotten that in the previous video, we have discussed the difference between there and they are. And I've told you that these are homophones but with different meanings. And I hope that you have actually revised the previous video and have learnt the differences between these three words. So let's begin with our exercise. So the first sentence for the exercise is dash starting school next Monday. So over here in this particular blank, what will come? There or they are? Which of these words will be coming in this particular blank? I repeat, dash starting school next Monday. I hope you are correct. Over here, it will come they are. They are starting school next Monday. See, over here, why I have used they are? Because there is a word school. Okay. So from this particular word school, something plural comes in my mind. And when I put this word they are, obviously the sentence gets completed. They are starting school next Monday. I hope it's clear. Coming to the next sentence, are the teachers having dash meeting now? Are the teachers having dash meeting now? So what will come in this particular blank? Tell me. Yes? Any guesses? Of course. Over here it will come THEIR. Why so? Because the meeting, it belongs to whom? To the teachers. Meeting belongs to teachers. So, are the teachers having their meeting now? Okay. The third sentence, I have to be dash at 10 o'clock. So, any guesses? What will come over here? There or they are? Don't make mistakes. I have to be there. THERE at 10 o'clock. Why so? Because you have to be there. आपको वहाँ पहुंचना है at 10 o'clock. So, you are using the word THERE because you have to get at that place at 10 o'clock. So, I have to be there at 10 o'clock. So, we'll be using the word THERE. I hope it is clear. She has lived dash for 8 years. Okay. So, over here also, the word THERE will come. Why so? Because she has lived there for 8 years. Okay? I memean to say, वो वहाँ पर 8 साल रही. So, वहाँ, when there is means a particular word वहाँ, okay, comes, we use THERE. Okay? So, I should say, she has lived there for 8 years. So, over here, THERE will come because it refers to the place where she lived for 8 years. Fine. Fifth, is dash a train to Mumbai? So, what will come over here? Any guesses? THERE or THEIR? Tell me. Over here, it will come THERE. Is there a train to Mumbai? Is there any train to Mumbai? Or I should say, is there any train which exists for Mumbai? Okay, so यहाँ पर we are talking about existence. कि is there a train to Mumbai? क्या कोई ट्रेन है मुंबई के लिए? Of course, there is a train to Mumbai. Fine. So, is there a train to Mumbai? Moreover, over here we are talking about a place Mumbai. So, we will be using the word THERE. Fine. The sixth one, dash drinking coffee. So, what will come over here? Just match the words. They're drinking coffee. They're drinking coffee. They are drinking coffee. Yes, you are correct. So, they are drinking coffee. I hope it is also clear. The seventh one, you mean dash not coming tonight. You mean dash not coming tonight. Who is not coming tonight? They are not coming tonight. So, you mean they are. Over here, they are means a group of people which were supposed to come at the home. Fine. So, you mean they are not coming tonight. I hope. Crystal clear? Yes. The last one, Amsterdam and Venice are famous for dash canals. Amsterdam and Venice are famous for dash canals. My dear friends, it is the homework for all of you. You will let me know your answer in the comment box given below for this particular sentence. I repeat, Amsterdam and Venice are famous for dash canals. So, you have to answer me in the comment box given below for this particular sentence. That what will come over here? There or they are. And I think you are good at your homework. So we'll be waiting for your comments. And it's me, Rakhi, saying you all goodbye and take care.